Oh boy, here we go. We've got a new video for you here. Box Break 2019 Top Series 2 coming up. All right, everybody, here we are. We're going to do a 6-division break. We've got 6 individuals going to be involved in this. We've got the NL East is going to be 1, Central 2, NL West 3, ALS 4. Our AL East is going to be 4, AL Central is going to be 5, AL West is going to be 6, and we're going to do a random draw for these positions. I'm going to go ahead and show that now. There we go. So we got 5 people involved in this random division draft for this. Josh M, Hunter, Jason, D-Dot. Let me see if I can focus this. Glenn and Jason. So what I'm going to do is 6 people in here. I'm going to randomize it 6 times, and then the position is the numbers we were just talking about. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Josh Melvin, NL East. Hunter, NL Central. Dida, NL West. Glenn, AL East. Jason, NL Central. And Jason, AL West. All right, I'm going to get it set up and we'll get started. Here we go. We're going to get it. So let's go ahead and let's get going. This break also includes a silver pack, which is pretty awesome. And we'll save that silver pack to last. So here we go. It's about a $450 box. Big cards in here. Tatis, Alonso, Vladimir. It's a great set. Let's open it up and get started. Ooh, it smells new. There we go. All right, good luck, everybody. All right, first pack, here we go. I'll reposition the phone here so everybody can see. I'm just gonna kind of go through these things. Hansen, Herrera, New York Mets, Roger Clemens, Melanson, Peralta. Ooh, going to the ALS, Shohei Ohtani, Rookie Cup. Nice card. Diaz, Desmond, Giscalfani, Luke Boyd. All right. Nice first pack, little Ohtani Rookie Cup, not bad. Good way to get started. All right, here we go. Felix Hernandez, Mad Rosario, future star, Cordero, Stewart, Sean Newcomb, San Francisco Giants, Armin Killebrew insert, Arnie Rodriguez, Bonifacio, Joey Galloway, Colin McHugh, Chris Shaw, Jacoby Jones, Garrett Cole. All right, no big guys yet. I mean, I guess the Ohtani was pretty good. Not too bad. Urias, Suzuki, Bricino, Garcia, Valleca, Kiermaier, Joey Votto, Gardner, Minter, Lagares, Reed, Dominic Smith. I'm sorry if I'm not getting everything else a little better. Darvish. And there we go. The first nice little hit there going to the AL Central. Eloy Jimenez. Very nice. All right, multiple packs here. It's how many packs are in this box here? 24 packs, I believe. We got 24 packs to go. Or 24 packs total. Patrick Wisdom, Malik Smith, Reyes, Wainwright, Jeffress, Marisnik, Votto, Addison Russell. What they got is Malley, Barnes, Sabathia, Rodney. All right. So far, we've got a Eloy Jimenez rookie and a Ohtani rookie cup. Springs, Longoria. I always really like kind of the design of this. It's a nice design. Oh, there's a nice card. Garrett Cole 150. Very nice. Going to the AL West. Kingery, Choi, Pinder, San Diego Sluggers. Just a Renfroe and a Will Myers on there. We're looking for that Tatis. Maybe a Tatis parallel gold. Independence Day, pink, Father's Day. One of those, any of those will work. All right. John Grant, Lynn, Cotta, Ross, Chicago, Colorado. All right, still looking for Tatis, Alonso, Vladimir, no number in this one. Just short print, Vladimir Guerrero in this set that has no number on the back. His regular rookie card was in series or update series 2019, but they did put a short print in series 2, which is really cool. There's another 150 card, Adam Conley. Braun, JD Davis. All right. A few packs in here. So I've got quite a few left. Let's see if we can pull one of those big rookies. Got Slater, Ramirez, Renfroe. I think I see a rainbow foil here. Let's save that rainbow foil to the end. Okay. Slater, Ramirez, Renfroe. I've got another 150. This is a Ryan Brazier. Ooh, here's an upside down card. Who could it be? Upside down, maybe a short print. Looks like a McCullers. Stuck together. What do we got here? Probably a little. I don't know why that was upside down. It's possible it's an advanced stats. No, yep, it's an advanced stats. Short print. They have War. I'm not really sure. I'll have to look it up. It was upside down for a reason. It's short printed somehow. I'll look it up later. Castro and Josh James rookie, and our rainbow foil is Yefy Ramirez. All right. Still looking for that big hit. All right, Talion, Nova, Matt Harvey, the Black Knight, Michael Waka, Tanaka. It's not bad to the AL East. A 150 Gary Sanchez, pretty cool. And then what I'm talking about, the 150 here, it's got the 150 stamp on it, and then did that for the 150th anniversary of Topps. Pretty cool. Some of these are very low printed. If you can hit a Tatis or one of the big rookies, definitely adds value to the card. All right. So in the hobby box, you're guaranteed at least an autograph or a relic, either one. So it could be, you might not get an auto, you might just get a relic. But we're hoping for the auto here. Maybe it's a big one. We'll see. Still got half the box to go. And that pack was pretty melodramatic there. It seems a little thicker. So if there's a nice, maybe a gold card or short print here. Let's see if we can pull one. Perez, Tatis, San Diego Petco Park. Recommend you go there one day if you haven't. Roger Clemens, Chris Sale, Riddle, Martini, Max Muncy, Benintendi, cool card. He's jumping in the scoreboard there. Pineda, Alfaro, and Brandon Morrow. All right, here we go. Get all that, the regular base out of the way. And first, all right, this guy was, highly touted. I'm not really sure what happened to him. But his rookie card was popular there for a minute, but kind of fell off. Still a cool card. Reyes, DJ Stewart, Rogers, Gallagher, Pierce, Christian Yelich, Cobb, Wheeler, Brazier, Familia, Johnson, Marte, and Sweet Victory. Still looking for Alonso. And we're looking for that Tatis. That's the big name in this set, this Tatis. Hoping, cross your fingers. Let me see a nice little short print of that. That'll be real cool. All right, Fletcher, Hudson. Now we got a rainbow foil. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this bad boy down to the bottom. Oh, and there is our hit in this box. Unfortunately, it's just a patch. Dansby Swanson. Nothing to really get excited about. But that goes out to the NL East. So congratulations on that. Eric Timms. Wilson Ramos. Petite. Matt Moore. Edwards. Tampa Bay. Oh, got a rookie card. Rainbow foil. Framber Valdez. Still a cool looking card. Not the big name we were looking for, but rookie nonetheless. Let's go here. Let's get something exciting. And just a reminder, we still got that silver pack at the end. There's some big cards in that also. Carlos Santana beats Chris Davis, Ozzie Smith, Santana, Nate Jones, Williams. All right. Got 10 packs left. Final 10 packs here. 2019 Top Series 2 loaded with great cards. Let's see if we can pull one. Lugo, Corbin, McKinney, Texas, Odor, Bueller, Carlton Fisk, Salazar, Rogers, Kemp, Iglesias. All right, coming down to the home stretch here. Still looking for that Tatis. Dida, who has the NL West walk away with a sweet Fernando Tatis. Well, that's a nice card right there. Independence Day. But unfortunately, it's a Kurt Suzuki. I mean, he's a great player. Won a World Series. Very cool card. Numbered to 76, as all the Independence Day cards are. Very nice. Goes to the NL East. Josh M. Congratulations. Let's see what else we got in this pack. Velasquez, Diaz, and moving on. All right. Down to 8. Can we pull the Tatis? Got a gold card there. I'm going to go ahead and put that to the back. We'll save that to the end there. Allen, Peterson, Vargas, Inciarte, Desmond, McCutchen. And here's our gold card. Let's take a look. It is a Toronto Blue Jay. And there's multiple options there, but you know, we're looking for that one special Toronto Blue Jay. And I doubt that this is it because it was a short printed regular card, but let's go ahead and take a look and see who we got. It's this way. Billy McKinney. All right. Still gold. Still a cool card. Where is Pete Alonso? Where is Fernando Tatis? Where is... Well, we got a Eloy Jimenez. We got something in the middle here. I think we got another gold card when we do. Another gold card. We'll put that in the back. We also got a home run challenge card. Still pretty cool. You scratch it off and you could win a ticket to the 2020 Home Run Derby, which never occurred because there was COVID. So this card could be worth, you know, $1, possibly, unscratched. Cody Bellinger. All right, let's see what we got. Harper, Castro, Kemp, Peralta, Conley. All right, and for the gold card, ooh, what do we got here? Let's take a look. St. Louis Cardinals. That's actually not a bad card. A Tyler O'Neill Future Stars Gold. That's a pretty nice card. Numbered to 2019. Gold card. Goes to the NL Central. Not bad. Very nice. All right, 6 packs left. Let's get some magic here. Let's see something really good. Got a couple golds, got an Independence Day. No Pete Alonso, no Tatis, no Vladimir. So I'm feeling like one of these packs is going to have one of those. It's 100 Shields, Albies, Barnes, Gary Sanchez, Trevor Story, J.A. Happ. Pretty sad pack there. Let's get a happy pack. Happy pack. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Got a nice card right here on the back. Goes to NL East. It is a rookie. Pack is not easy to open. There we go. Save that to the end. You guys already saw it. Nomar Mazara, Zuna, Soroka, Sandoval, Giolito. I don't think I've ever seen that card. Gary V's Top Entrepreneurs in Baseball, Raymond Johnson. Pretty cool. Josh Reddick, Bellinger, and on the back here, we've got our first actually really good hit here. Pete Alonso, rookie card, goes to NL East, Josh Melvin. Very nice. We're looking for that parallel. Where is that parallel? Where's that 101? Where's that black Fernando Tatis? It's got to be in here. Got to be. Clint Frazier, Stock, Baltimore, Goodwin, Bregman. Where is Tatis? Mr. Tatis, where are you at? There's his teammate, Manny Machado, and his opponent, Michael Buehler. So far, 3 packs left. Where is he? This is kind of a thicker than normal pack, but sometimes they just feel like that because the cards are positioned weird. But maybe there's something in it. No, nothing in that. Hunter, Ward, Neshek, O'Brien, and there we go, fellas and ladies and gentlemen. Oh boy, Fernando Tatis Jr. going out to Dida. Excellent. Very nice. Very well centered. Corners are sharp. Excellent condition card. We'll go ahead and we'll get a soft sleeve for that and put that in there. Very nice. Let's finish this up. David Fletcher gold card, not bad. I like it. Hunter, I got a gold card and a rainbow foil in the same pack with the Tatis. That was probably the best pack of this box so far. 2 nice cards. And it looks like that's going to be about it for that pack. So we did pull a Tatis, the big card. So we got a Tatis, a Jimenez, and Alonso. Not too bad. A couple golds, a couple rainbow foils, Independence Day. So overall, I mean, for this product, not a bad box. Let's see if we can pull another one. One more, maybe double up on one of these rookies. That would kind of put the icing on the cake for this box. And we got 1 pack left. And here it is, Justin Smoke. Looks like we got another gold card. So we did get quite a few gold cards in this box, which is pretty good for a hobby box. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and put that towards the bottom, kind of like just up the suspense. Sorry about that. Workman, Betances, Wright, Calafriuland, Rodriguez, Nunez. Strike opposed, got I believe that's Albies and Acuna, and Victor Cortini, and our gold card, the final card of this box. Who do we got here? It's a Kendry Morales gold card. Not bad. All right, well, we got 1 more pack left, and that would be our silver pack here. So let's go ahead and just open this up and see what. Hopefully it's a nice card in here. I believe you get 3 or 4 cards. There are autos in here, and they're all based on the, I believe is it 84? I believe that's an 84 design. Very cool. And the first one we got, Ken Griffey Jr. They all got that kind of like refractor, X-fractor look to it. Very cool cards. First card, Ken Griffey Jr., Hall of Famer. Second card, Adrian Beltre. I mean, he's had a great career. Possible Hall of Fame in his future. Jonathan Lasagna. I call him Lasagna. I'm not really sure how to say his last name because I've said lasagna many, many times when I watch the Yankee games. But that's your rookie card. And the last card, George Brett. So, I mean, overall, that was pretty decent box. Good cards. We did pull that Tatis. I'll kind of show everybody the other hits. So if you're kind of thinking about purchasing a box, this kind of gives you an idea about what you're going to pull. We did pull, really do that up to there. We've got a couple golds. Hunter Renfroe. We did get a Pete Alonso rookie card. Another gold Tyler O'Neill, which is a very nice card. Another gold card, McKinney. A very cool card, man. I mean, you don't. These are pretty rare. I'll have to look at the odds on the box, but I mean, these things are numbered to 76. You don't get one of these in every hobby box. So, very, very nice pull. Another rainbow foil and Framber Valdez. Our hit of the box, which is kind of disappointing because it's either an autograph or a relic, and unfortunately in this one we got a Dansby Swanson game used memorabilia. So nothing really that great. And I'm not really sure exactly what the short print is. I'm gonna have to look this up. Maybe if somebody has any idea, they can put it down in the comments. But it's a short print of something, and it was turned upside down, so I believe it has something to do with the stats. Not really 100% positive, but it is a short print. And then we've got a couple more rookie cards. We did get a Garrett Cole with the 150 symbol on it. Pretty cool. And we did get a Eloy Jimenez and a Shohei Ohtani rookie cup. So I appreciate everybody joining in here. That was a 2019 Topps Series 2 break. Alrighty, everybody, have a good one. And make sure to join back in. See you next time.